Hi, good day. I, the CEO, started this company in 2001 with a faction of driven petroleum engineers and others who have helped me assess the economic value of our chosen field location for the company to be able to execute its objective in line with its goal. Terra-Form Corporation is a company that uses renewable bioenergy to build an ideal and habitable environment for the people in the face of worsening climate circumstances. Our plant is located in the Philippine Island province of Palawan, which is part of the Mimaropa region. As this westernmost province, Palawan, is rarely hit by typhoons and any other natural calamities. As a result, Terra-Form's main source of bioenergy, which are the willow plants, are well secured because these plants prefer deep, moist, and well-drained soil rather than being exposed to strong winds. So basically, kinonsider talaga ng ating team yung location natin, not just because of the market, but also to lengthen and to really give off the best service. You wouldn't be able to give nga naman the best service kung yung source pa lang ng service mo ay hindi na maayos at hindi na protected. My team and I were able to conduct a bioenergy by innovating new ways to source biodiesel by the use of willow trees who happen to have a higher sugar content compared to other diesel sources such as sugar canes, poplar, and others. The concept of developing a better biodiesel which would supply a greater quality of bioenergy was devised by the team and later has been the foundation of Terra-Form Corporation. Engineer Dudas and Engineer Magbojos assured the betterment and further development of our service for the company to be able to run with well-known companies in the region, especially in Palawan with the nearby gas companies. It would be with no difficulty to inaugurate and market our product to build partnerships. In obtaining the materials to be used in producing our bioenergy, Terra-Form Corporation will be using its own transforming biodiesel from the biomass plantation of willow trees. The company will be using its own space for these trees. With the site of our mills and plant in Palawan, logistics in the company will not cause any drawbacks to the production and supply. As a company that was just starting out then, we really had nothing much but dedication to really expand and widen the scope of Terra-Form Corporation with regards to the advancement of our machineries and the betterment of qualities of what is being offered by Terra-Form Corporation, which is of course the bioenergy. But of course, efficient financial management is also necessary to support the company's sourcing and distribution. Fortunately, with all the efforts exerted to really achieve the goal of the company of our Terra-Form Corporation, all accomplishments have exceeded expectations. Designed for a healthy life living, we send out lights and sustain energy that develops reliable outcomes. Alongside this is of course the virtues of Terra-Form Corporation, which have been helping us to really reach the success and for us to be able to execute the objectives well. First is the fairness. The firm has been offering high-quality service and that is appropriately conducted for the needs of our target market. Second is the integrity, which is the Terra-Form Corporation has been true to our claims and objectives. Third is authenticity, which has been one of our priorities of Terra-Form Corporation, and this is to avoid any plagiarized information content from the competitors. Fourth is the transcendence. This strengthens the reliability and credibility of our company with regards to its source and connection. Now, the approach of Terra-Form Corporation has been under these virtues to attain the morality of the company and to really achieve the economic success.
Terra-Form is committed to promote and introduce accessible renewable fuel to provide reliable and innovative eco-friendly energy by sourcing great quality biodiesel to diminish the usage of hazardous materials that would indecorously affect the environment, through excellent and convenient services to meet the growing energy demands of the region. Basically, our mission is to promote a sustainable way of providing energy to the mass in which the use of hazardous materials would not be an option, to diminish today's unfavorable environmental impact. A locally well-recognized bioenergy provider with unrivaled dedication to cooperation, a reputation for high-quality products that offers professional, efficient, and convenient service. Our vision is to become a well-known bioenergy source devoted to serving the people while also helping the environment.
Terra-Form Corporation is an establishment that aims to create an habitable environment for the people. This company focuses principally by utilizing renewable bioenergy and creating an ideal source of fuel that can increase greenhouse gas associated with their grounds. The company will use the woody matter of willow crops that is widely grown as the source of biofuel. Increasing sugar yields improves the environmental performance of biofuel, making the process more productive and cost-effective, as stated by Dr. Michael Ray. One such process is pyrolysis, in which biomass is composed by heating in absence of air. This creates an oil-like liquid that can be burned like heating oil or refined into chemical fuel like green gasoline. Thermochemical processes can also be used to pretreat biomass for conversion into biofuels.
Now, this would increase the potential of biofuel to lessen some undesirable aspects of fossil fuel production and the like.
These are our work experiences for the past 10 years. These companies help us improve and help us reach our goal to be a better company. One of our biggest projects were in Valdoria Grid Corporation. The project was developing clean and reliable sources of energy which last for 4 years. We gathered knowledge and experiences in our early years to learn the limits and weaknesses of our company. This is why it lasts for a short length of time. Then, because we know we can handle large projects like we did at Valdoria Grid Corporation, our next clients and projects were confident and trusting our company to complete these projects and goals.
So basically, kung mapapansin nyo yung sa aming project reference, makikita nyo na yung pinakauna hanggang latest na project namin, yung time duration niya, palaki ng palaki, from maliit to palaki. Kasi, noong time na yan, we were still on the process of building our name, nagpapakilala pa lang kami sa industry, nagpapakilala pa lang kami sa masa, sa mga partners namin, nag-build pa lang kami ng partnership. And of course, patagal ng patagal, we gain new experiences, new knowledge, that could contribute a lot to the betterment of our company. At dahil doon, naging trusted na kami, kaya palaki ng palaki yung projects namin.
The company's management team manages the whole core business operations from the inside job of the executing the mission of the company itself. The team is first headed by the CEO or Chief Executive Officer, Engineer Cantos, who is responsible for managing the overall operations of the company and expected to lead the company to success. Next is the CPO or Chief Production Officer, Engineer Valdoria, who is responsible for overseeing the complete product organization and establishing efficient production operations in order to ensure that quality standards are met. Third is the CRDO or Chief Research and Development Officer, Engineer Dudas, who leads the company's research to make use of new technology and equipment to improve the company's operations and business. Fourth is the Human Resource Management, headed by Engineer Manongsong. They utilize the workforce, recruitment, and staffing as well as planning, controlling, directing, and organizing company activities. Fifth is the CFO or Chief Financial Officer, Engineer Magbojos, who's in charge on the company's overall financial actions. She is responsible for tracking cash flow, financial planning, and analyzing the company's financial strengths and weaknesses, and proposing remedial actions for any financial problem. Lastly, Engineer Abordo, the Sales and Marketing Manager, is in charge of researching and developing marketing opportunities as well as designing and executing new sales strategies for the company. Each position has different roles and responsibilities, yet they are all equally vital as they are interrelated and contributes to the company's success.
Being productive, determined, and competent are one of the many skills that we require on our people. We also look for those skilled workers who have good values, communication skills, and determination in the job for Terra-Form. Accepting these skilled workers who are qualified to be working in the company means that they have been chosen since they have gained skills and knowledge that are required to be working in our company. All efforts given by the skilled workers are important to the company's ongoing process of manufacturing, from acquiring raw materials to meeting your electrical necessities. Terra-Form Corporation is built on the dedication and hard work of the department and its teams.
A brighter tomorrow starts today.